Whoa! Check it out! Look how full this car is! So do you know what this means? We're going camping again! Woohoo! Alright, so we had so much fun last time. Hopefully you guys liked watching the last time. But we had so much fun last time, we're going back! Actually, we got the exact same location at the same spot. Like literally everything's the same. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we're heading out now. The car is jam-packed, super full. We're heading out now. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's only like 20 minutes away.
It is. But you had to work, so that's why we're heading out so late.
Yeah, so make sure you guys check out our first camping video. We'll put the link here. Make sure you guys go check that video out and then check out this video. All right, we'll see you guys in 1 second.
1.
All right, everyone, we made it.
Yeah!
Woo, we're here. All right, so
the same exact spot.
It is the exact same spot. So it was like a 30-minute drive to get here. Wee. Oh, your feeties. They're so stinky. All right, are you excited?
Yahoo!
Woohoo! All right, so we're gonna start unpacking. It's gonna take a lot because it's so dang jam-packed, but it's pretty good weather. A little overcast, but it was supposed to be like 90 degrees, but right now it's like 75. It's perfect. All right, we're gonna get unpacked. See you guys in a little bit, guys. So everything's all set up. Here it is.
Daddy.
Yes.
I want to go in the car.
You're gonna go in the car? Why are you gonna go in the car? You're just gonna hang out in the car?
Yeah.
You're so strange. You know that? You're so strange. All right, our tent set up right here. And we got our other canopy thing with the mosquito repellent. And it's got this awesome mesh on it, so it keeps all the mosquitoes away. And then I got the solar panels going. So I have the solar panels going into the Jackery because the Jackery is powering this awesome bodega. So you guys have seen it in our last vlog, but this is our bodega that has all of our refrigerated stuff. That's literally a refrigerator. Super cool. So I'm actually getting the barbecue ready because we're gonna be eating dinner soon.
Show them the hammock chairs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So my cousins came over and they ended up going and getting hammock chairs. It's a little extreme for camping. It's a little, it's a bit much, but you know what? They like to be comfortable. Look at it, it's literally, it swings. But I'm getting the grill going. It's gonna be nice and toasty, and it kills off all of that stuff that's on there previous. So we'll get that going. And we're doing hamburgers today. So I'm gonna cook up the dinner. Jordan's hanging out with Kaya and his aunties. And I'm gonna cook up the hamburgers. We're gonna have just a simple dinner today. We're gonna sit by the fireplace and we're gonna do some s'mores. It should be a relaxing day. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay guys, so this is our second day here.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, this is our second day here now. Crunch baby got bit up too. Let me show them. Okay, she got bit up. So we got the solar panels going, hooked up to the Jackery again, like I said. But because we got this cool, awesome bodega fridge. It's a cooler fridge. It's portable. You plug it in, and it kept it cool the whole time. Super cool. Thanks to Bodega for sending us that awesome fridge. Let me show you guys the inside of our mosquito tent. All right, so Bodega, thank you. And it's got all of our stuff in it. Whoa, don't mind this. But yeah, it's got all of our stuff. So we got the freezer in here. The fridge is on this side, and everything is ice cold. Super cool. All right, it's getting pretty hot. So I'm going to fill up some water buckets so that the kids can play with the water. But from the last time, what we did, we would fill up buckets. This time, I brought a hose. And because this is a community hose or fountain, I brought a hose with a splitter on it so that we can use the hose and whoever wants to use the other half can use the other half. Nice. Ooh, there it goes. Go give this to mommy first.
Dada.
No, Kaya, go give it to mommy. Go. So this just makes it a lot easier, so we don't have to walk all the way over there. I know it's not that far, but it makes it a little bit easier for us to kind of go back and forth because the campsite's right there. So now we'll leave the hose and then walk like 10 feet into our campsite. But like last time, we gave Jordan those other water guns. This time, oh, they're over here. This time, Jordan got some really cool ones for his birthday. Jordan got some really cool water guns. We're gonna give them a try.
Zuru X-Shot.
What is it?
Zuru X-Shot.
Are you ready to play with it?
Yeah.
All right, check it out. We got them. So you're supposed to be able to fill it by opening this top part here. And you dunk it in like a bucket, but our bucket's not deep enough or it's not full enough, so I'm gonna just fill it.
We're not gonna shoot each other.
Yeah, we're only gonna shoot inanimate objects. I'm actually gonna shoot Jordan. I got him! I got him!
Stop this whole thing on it.
No. Did I get you super?
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, Jordan!
We'll play with the water guns for a little bit because it's pretty hot. Check it out. Whoa. Get Jordan.
You can throw it.
No, don't get the.
Don't get the chairs.
Ah!
Ah! Ow! Ow!
Oh!
Yeah, play catch with the GoPro.
Oh!
Oh!
You
got mommy.
That's funny. No.
All right, so we are heading over to the park, right, baby?
Are you wet?
Yeah, look at him. He's soaking wet.
From head to toe.
So we asked you guys to leave us some questions for CrunchMom, and she's gonna answer them throughout this video. Oh, while we're going.
All right, so we picked some of the most frequently asked questions, and one of them from Lily Cuevas. Do you think you'll have any more kids in the future? And I think we've answered this in our other, you answered it in the other mukbang, but our answer is no.
It's not our Q&A. It's
okay.
not Q&O.
So my answer is no, I'm done. Baby Making Factory is done. We have 2 perfect, amazing little kids, and I don't think we need any more to, complete our family. Plus, these 2 eat so much, I don't know how we would handle another one if they ate as much as Jordan and Kaya.
All right, so that was the first Q&M, guys. Keep watching this video for more Q&Ms.
Okay, so Cindy Castro, Cindy Castro Ortiz asked, why does CrunchMom not want to be in the videos? That's a very good question, Cindy. I'm more of a behind the scenes kind of person. I don't feel comfortable with myself in front of the camera. I like being behind it, and I don't like seeing myself in front of the camera or hearing my voice, which is something I'm trying to get used to. Karen Layton asks, would you and Crunch Baby want to do a channel together once you hit your 1 million subscribers? Like I said before, I'm not much of a camera person, so my answer right now is no, but if Kaya gets older and says it's something she really wants to do, then I think I would have to say yes. Lulu asks, what meal would you eat for your first mukbang? I don't think I have a choice in that matter. I think it's going to end up being a roulette. Letitia asks, When you suggested creating this channel, what did you anticipate would happen and what has surprised you the most? I'm not really sure what I was anticipating. We're a foodie family and Jordan loves to eat. So I just knew, you know, him and Crunch Dad, they have a good camera presence. So I was like, oh, this might be fun experience for them to do together. What surprised me the most is maybe the fact that everybody wanted to watch them. And I know I love them. I wasn't expecting the world to love them. Another thing that was surprising was when we first started, Crunch Dad was supposed to be the one editing the videos. I had zero experience. He had a little, so we thought he was going to do it, but I ended up doing it, and we haven't turned back since. Rain Mae asks, do you think Jordan looks more like you or Crunch Dad? I honestly think he doesn't really look like either one of us. Jordan looks like me when he was a baby.
Oh.
Yeah. Now I don't know. I can't really see him in either one of us, or even Kaya either. But personality-wise, I do have to say Jordan has got my personality more so than Crunch Dad's for sure. Especially his goofy side. Alright, Stacy Kim asked, what sports does CrunchMom like to play? I used to be a swimmer. I still like to swim now. Definitely not as good of a shape as I used to be. But I was an NCAA athlete. I actually made it to Olympic trials in swimming. A fun fact. So I also would really enjoy watching the Olympics right now and the swimming that's going on. I have a lot of friends who are Olympians, but I actually never made it to the Olympics, just the trials.
Alright, so CrunchMom, I'm talking quiet because CrunchMom's over there. And we're trying to get Crunch Baby to go to sleep. And Jordan is right now out with his aunties. There's actually like right behind this hill. See more of my fingers pointing? Right behind there. It's pretty much like a neighborhood. So there's a Ralph's over there, and I think that's where they're taking him. So they're on a little like grocery trip. But let us know in the comments. Do you guys like camping videos, or what other types of trips do you guys want to see? You know, we're pretty open to suggestions. We want to know what you guys want to see, and give us some suggestions on where we should go and vacation. This is kind of a mini vacation, but we're looking forward to like a really big vacation. So let us know in the comments, what should we do? Oh, and CrunchMom's birthday's coming up in August, early August. You guys should leave me a comment on what I should get her for her birthday. I have an idea of what I want to get her, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna think that's lame. Leave me a comment down below on what I should get her. Whoa! Alright guys, so CrunchMom's over there with Crunch Baby. We're getting ready to go home. We had fun.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes?
But I didn't like the dirt on my shoes.
You didn't like the dirt on your shoes? But that's part of camping. Look at everything is dirt. So we had a pretty good time again. We like this place. This place is pretty fun. We did s'mores, we did a banana boat, campfire, we made tacos, and we did taco mukbang where we were attacked by bees. So if you guys didn't see that one, go check out the CrunchBros, because we're getting attacked by bees. That was kind of scary.
No, that was not scary at all.
That was not scary at all? Okay. Well, make sure you guys go check that out, and then make sure you guys check out, you know, things like Jordan's Easy Peasy channel for little things here and there that we didn't film for this channel. You guys will see different footage there on his Instagram, so make sure you guys go check out his Instagram, because he'll have things where he's dancing on stage. So we're gonna hang out here. There's a little park over there. We're gonna hang out, and then we're gonna go home. Oh, Crunch Baby's here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. What about CrunchMom? Bye. Jordan, bye-bye. Crunch Baby, bye-bye. All right, we actually headed down to this little park on the way. We grabbed some lunch. And so they're just playing around at this park. I actually grew up here and played on this park when I was a kid. Yes. I want to see.
Okay, ready? Without getting scared.
Okay, let me see.
He was making mess. So we're like, maybe he has a big
Oh, nice. How it is.